eToro CopyTrader serves as a flagship social trading feature designed to address the common struggle of wanting to invest without having the specialized knowledge or time to manage a portfolio manually. It operates as a form of crowdsourced asset management where the user chooses to follow a specific person rather than an algorithm or a mutual fund. The process begins by browsing a directory of popular investors and filtering them based on their performance history, risk scores, and specific asset focus such as stocks, exchange-traded funds, or crypto. Once a trader is selected, a minimum of $200 must be allocated to begin. From that point on, the system mirrors every action the lead trader takes in real time. If they buy or sell an asset, the connected account executes a proportional trade automatically. This provides a truly passive investing experience compared to other social apps where one only reads tips without execution. It is particularly helpful for those who feel overwhelmed by market analysis or technical charts. The transparency offered by this tool is a significant benefit because every single trade a person has made is visible alongside their success rate over several years. This removes the mystery often associated with professional fund management and allows for trust to be built on a verifiable track record. Another major advantage is the lack of traditional management fees. While standard trading spreads and fees apply to the individual trades, eToro does not charge the 2% management fee typically found in hedge funds. The low barrier to entry of $200 makes it accessible to many, and it serves as an educational tool where beginners can learn entry and exit strategies by observing the pros. However, there are notable drawbacks to consider. The most critical is that past performance is never a guarantee of future results. A trader who saw 80% growth last year could still experience a 50% loss this month. In the United States, users face certain limitations as the platform focuses primarily on crypto, stocks, and exchange-traded funds, meaning access to Forex or commodities experts may be restricted compared to the global version. There is also the risk of slippage, which occurs when a trade executes slightly after the lead traders, potentially resulting in a worse price. Furthermore, there is a $1 minimum per copied position. If the lead trader opens a tiny position in a massive portfolio, a copycat account with low funds might miss that trade entirely if it does not meet the $1 threshold. For this reason, while the minimum is $200, a range of $500 to $1,000 is often recommended to ensure the full experience is captured. There is also the danger of herd mentality, where a single mistake by a popular investor can cause thousands of people to lose money simultaneously. This tool is ideal for beginners who lack the skill to analyze balance sheets or for busy individuals who cannot monitor market news daily. It also works well for those seeking diversification by allocating 10 to 20% of their funds to a niche expert. Conversely, it is not a good fit for those who need total control over every transaction or for anyone looking for guaranteed returns. To summarize, eToro CopyTrader simplifies the investment process by allowing for the automatic mirroring of experienced investors for a minimum of $200 without extra management fees. However, the risks are substantial. Users must remain aware that they can lose their entire investment if the chosen trader has a bad streak, and technical factors like slippage or the $1 position minimum can impact the final results. All users should approach this as a high-risk venture where total loss of capital is possible.